This was where we have identified that TCS has already broke down almost on 11th February, and today it was down another 3%, making almost 8.5% from that level. So that's a bit massive fall in TCS, which was one of the largest heavyweights in the Nifty. Infosys, we have already identified the same day, almost the next day of the TCS, where Infosys has broken down from this mini consolidation. And from that point, it was down again 7%. We have been seeing that IT was acting very weak. Maybe looks like it is going to test these levels in the future, which is 1700. I think we have discussed multiple times about HCL that if it breaches below this level, that would be a perfect time to short, having this 2% or 3% and stop loss. And today it has successfully broken down. Hello, investors. Welcome to Chart Shastra, where investing is made simple with the help of charts. Today is day 63 of our 100-day price action challenge, and we have entered into a new week. Looks like on the chart, Nifty is in big trouble. Nifty has broke down below this 22,700 level, which was one of the most important support zones for the Nifty, at least for the last few weeks. And today there was clearly a gap up. It has opened at 22,600. Tried to reach this level, but again got rejected, and the closing was very weak. It happened at 22,550 level almost. The same thing happened with Nifty Junior. There was a gap down which was entirely reflected in the Nifty 100 too. Even the mid cap stocks as well. In fact, there was a severe fall in the morning. At least the mid cap and small caps has recovered from their lows today. But we have already anticipated something like this is going to happen on our Friday's video, right? But post the Friday video, during that night, US economy data was out. It was very weak. US market has seen one of the biggest sell-off in 2025, which was clearly reflected in today's Indian market. Currently, I've already told you that the market is not at all in a favorable situation. We have to be very careful in such times. Look at Nifty 500 too. It is has been trading almost at the one of the lowest levels, right? Uh, let's look at gold. Gold is forming a beautiful consolidation here. So if it breaks above this level, that's a very good entry point for gold. But again, remember that gold has already ran up a lot. In fact, all the commodities have been running up a lot. Silver is also consolidating as of now. Let's wait and see how the precious metals would react to such market conditions. Coming to the sectoral charts, Bank Nifty is down again, almost trying to reach its support zone. If the Bank Nifty breaches this support zone, that would be a big trouble for banking stocks as well. Private banks are down, same as PSU banks are down. So the actually the talk of the day or the chart of the day is Nifty IT index. It is down almost 3% today. That's a big breakdown. We will do a detailed breakdown of what are the top weights in IT index and how the each stock is doing in our daily 100 stock analysis. Uh, and the auto has been mostly flat today. Looks like it was a positive, but again, I won't consider it as a very strong trade being positive on such negative day. It isn't because the auto was already down almost 3% on Friday, right? Realty is down 1%. Pharma is also has been seen a sell off on Friday, and today also it was almost flat. Looks like the theme which was running of the US, right? The IT and pharma where maximum exports and rupee depreciating, looks like that story is also currently changing now. That's why I've emphasized never ever believe stories. Just go with the price, just go with the chart. Why do you need to see all these points and why do you need to have view on each thing? Just follow the price. That would clear a lot of doubts and spare a lot of time for you. Infra here is also down again 1.4. FMCG is flat today, but again, FMCG has broke down before Nifty long back and it was down already 6% today. Telecom is also down 2.5% almost. Let's see what has driven. Probably it was selling happening in the Airtel. Let's see those charts too. Healthcare index flat, media is down again 1%. Now let's look at our daily 100 stocks here, starting with Reliance. I've already told you Reliance needs to be above 1200 level. If it breaks below this level, that would be a big trouble for Nifty, and looks like Nifty is already in a big trouble without Reliance doing anything. So imagine if Reliance uh, came below this 1200 zone, what would happen to Nifty? That would be a little bit scary. And look at here, we have already told you that the talk of the day is Nifty IT index. There was a huge selling. This was where we have identified that TCS has already broke down almost on 11th February, and today it was down another 3%, making almost 8.5% from that level. So that's a bit massive of fall in TCS, which was one of the largest heavyweights in the Nifty IT. Coming to HDFC Bank, there was a quick squat of thing happened here. Let's wait and see. Ideally, it would be a shakeout, not a squat. Sorry for different terminology. Looks like Bharti Airtel has broken down today again. Probably I would be watching this 1560 level, but again, this was a fake kind of move happened here. Quickly post the earnings, there was a quick sell-off happened in the Airtel. That's why we have seen a massive fall in telecom index too. ICICI Bank has broken its structure. This is where it has already broken. Now it is going below. Now ICICI doesn't look good. Infosys, we have already identified the same day, almost the next day of the TCS, where Infosys has broken down from this mini consolidation, and from that point it was down again 7%. We have been seeing that IT was acting very weak. Maybe looks like it is going to test these levels in the future, which is 1715 for Infosys. SBI again, look at here. This was just like almost looking like Nifty, right? It was consolidating for last few days, and today there was a gap down. So there's clearly weakness. Even ITC is not looking good. Hindustan Unilever very bad. LIC is almost hanging at the lows, not doing much happening. Nothing interesting. HCL Tech. I have already we have I think we have discussed multiple times about HCL that if it breaches below this level, that would be a perfect time to short, having this 2% or 3% and stop loss. And today it has successfully broken down. So the entire IT theme is going under a sell-off lately happening. So step by step it's happening. First the auto became weak, then the FMCG became weak, then the other indices, reality index has become weaker. Now the last step, which is probably the IT. Next remaining is pharma, I guess. Even pharma stocks have also corrected in the last week, right? Lanti not looking good. Sun Pharma, yes. Pharma stocks have corrected already. Pharma is making new lows each day. Bajaj Finance is holding up. That's very, very positive sign for Bajaj Finance. In such weak market, Bajaj Finance is holding up. So I'm cautiously looking at this name. Because why I am cautious? Because the market sentiment is not doing well. Despite no matter how strong the stock is, I would not prefer to trade in such environment. NTBC is trying to form a bottom here, so slowly consolidating. Unless if there is a reversal, probably it would test again this 290 levels. Axis Bank not doing good. Maruti is also slowly sliding down each day. Kotak Mahindra is also holding up like Bajaj Finance. So I like Kotak Mahindra and Bajaj Finance, but market is not favoring. M&M just taken a support here. The last 2 days volumes were high, but looks like this was a big selling candle on the Friday happened. ONGC again down 2.5%, not looking good. Tata Motors also made a new low today almost. Ultratech is also slowly losing its momentum. It used to hold these levels. Looks like the Ultratech is becoming weaker again. Adani Enterprises, nothing great here. Power Grid, again, all these names, see, they're done. Almost it has reached all the way here. From this point, it was down another 15%. That's a massive, massive fall in the large caps. Imagine what's happening on the small cap as well as micro caps. Bajaj Auto, nothing interesting. Try to made a new low today. Adani Ports losing its momentum, lost its momentum from a very long time, nothing doing, helping much. Coal India at the bottom here. Asian Paints also just, it is almost literally, this is a dead stock, not doing anything. Even Wipro broke down today. See, that's not at all good. Four major stocks, which was TCS, Infosys, Wipro, and HCL Tech. We have seen HCL Tech made a new low and a breakdown. Even Wipro, which used to be very strong name, it has also broken down today. That's not at all healthy for IT index. Even if there is a reversal happening tomorrow or the next few days, just don't right away jump in. Wait for a few more sessions. Wait for the price to confirm the reversal, because This looks like a structural breakdown happening on the IT name. So please be careful if you are looking actively into the IT names. Hindustan Aeronautical not at all helping. Bajaj Finserv has also taken a bit reversal today. It was around here, but again it was down almost 2% from top. But still, the structure is still intact unless and until it breaches this level or this level. Uh, I would not see it as a weak name as of now. DMart is one of the very weak name, not doing anything. Trent is also going lower and lower. Adani Green made a new low again today. Simons is also trying to make a new low today. Very weak name. JSW still, it used to be a strong name and holding up, but again, very, very choppy name. I don't like that. Adani Power tried to make a new low today. See, it has broken down this level, not looking good. Zomato, again, sharp reversal. I've already highlighted multiple times that 240 is the crucial level for Zomato, and there was a quick rejection from there. Nestle not doing anything. IOC is also flat almost. Bharat Electronics didn't do anything. Varun Beverages, there was a sharp move, 4.5% today. But don't think of this as a reversal. By this time, I think if you are watching these videos from last 60 days, you would be understanding that this could be just a short covering, not a healthy rally. Geo Finance down 2.5%, not looking good. DLF is also going down. Tata Steel. I had a little bit positivity for metals, but again, considering the market condition, I don't think I won't be biased on any sectors. Vedanta got reversal again down 4% almost. Grasim has also broken down. See, you are seeing the structural changes in the charts each day. Today, Ultratech, Cement, IT stock, Grasim, they are breaking the structures. That's not at all healthy for the market. IRFC not doing anything. LTIM down another 4.5%. Look at the volume. Massive exit. Highest volume in quarter. 242% jump in volumes with 5% stock down. That's a massive institution selling happening there. Indigo, on the other hand, is trying to move up. This trend line is very crucial. I'm watching, so it's bit interesting. So I would like to add Indigo into my watch list because it is acting so well in such market. So let's wait and see how it turns out. Even Tech Mahindra had almost reached this level, so we are almost very near Tech Mahindra breaking this 1575 level. So let's wait and see. SBI Life not doing anything. PD Life going sideways. ABB not. Lot of selling already happened here. DVCs again, it hasn't decided its direction yet. So is it still struggling between this range bound move? HDFC Life, all the life insurances are dead, I guess. They are just going sideways. No trading happening there. Hindalco is down 2%. It had a fantastic 3-day rally here. Now it's taking rest, which is very perfect. Let it take some more rest. Let it test this 680, 675 level. That would be interesting to watch. TFC not a healthy stock. Britannia again made a new low, almost made a new low today. Ambuja Cement, another newest. I think this stock is made another 2-week new low. So new lows are being formed each day. GAIL not good. Tata Power just consolidation today. REC again heading for a lower low. Others and Sumi not helping at all. Look at here. All these stocks are just struggling. They are not even trying to move up. Godrej Consumer Product. Eicher Motors is trying to move up again, but I don't think this is very choppy chart as of now. I don't want to deal with choppy names, especially in such market condition. Either it should be a very strong uptrend or it should be a very strong downtrend. Bank of Baroda going down. See, always it is getting rejected at the 21-day moving averages. You can see it a light colored line, right? That is 21 EMA. It is getting rejected every time it reaches that. Wipro going sideways. JSW Energy also not much. Last 3 days there was a rally, but today it has snapped some of its gains. TVS Motor not looking good. Torrent Pharma is also hanging at support. Piram, it has broken down, but again today it went below because the market condition was not at all good. See, despite there was some trend reversal or little attempts to break out of the long consolidation, market is not favoring these. So that's why I'm staying away from the markets. Chola Mandalam is forming this base again. Let's wait and see whether it breaks 1400 or not. Bajaj Holding, same story. It needs to, we can, I think, modify this line, but again, that's again changing the lines here. Market is not favoring, but at least that's a strong name, Bajaj Holding. Adani Energy Solutions, not good. Punjab National Bank, see, hovering at the support zone. Dr. Reddy is trying to make a new low each day. Although this was a positive move today, but again, the chart is very, very choppy. United Spirit, see, there was some recovery happening here, but again, would you call this a recovery or is it just a short recovery? I know what you are going to answer, but still, please comment in the comment section. Lodha going sideways, choppy trend. iPro almost tried to made a new low today. See, there was persistent selling in the iPro happening here. Havells, same, not looking good. Bosch is also not looking good. Apollo Hospitals, gap down again, trying to make a new low. Zydus Life Science consolidating, Hero Motocorp consolidating at the bottom, but let's wait and see. As long as they are consolidating and trying to move up, that's healthy. But if they are making new lows, that's very, very bad sign. Naukri had a severe, severe fall today, down 5%. That's massive. Even look at the volumes. Clearly, the IT is not at all in the favor. We have been seeing it from a long time. Tata Consumer not doing good. Dabur is also almost hanging at the support. Lombard, ICICI Lombard almost made a new low today. The closing was very weak. See, Jindal still just taking rest here. It has rallied non-stop from this low, but again, this was the earnings big disaster happened here. But the gap was closed, so let it take some more time here. Cement is still holding. That's why it's very interesting, right? The IT names are correcting. The all of the even Ultratech, Grasim was correcting, but Sri Cement was not at all correcting. Why? Something is happening inside the Sri Cement. I don't know. If you know something, please put it on the comment section. Canara Bank not doing good. Union Bank just going sideways. Always it tries to do this. Whenever it corrects, it quickly bounces back, but again goes. It is trading in the range. IndusInd, I thought this would slowly move again and make this 1100 level, but looks like this is going to take some time. Dhani Total Gas, not good. NHPC again, quick reversal, right? See, this was simply a fake kind of thing happened about this trend line and quickly bounced down. DHL going down again, 2.5%, not looking good. IRT, CTC is also not looking good. So just to summarize the day, looks like the entire day or the Nifty was dragged by IT index. If there is a sharp recovery in this index, we might see some relief on Nifty, but again, don't take one or two reversals or strong up moves as a sign of reversal. We are in a long term bear kind of market, and the market has been in oversold zones from a very long time. We never know how long the market would stay in such zones. Let's only wait for confirmation. We will see only, it will be only available on the charts. We can only confirm the trend on the chart. So till then, see you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot for watching.